What's up everyone, it's Tim here, and in this video I will show you how to sell AI appointment setters to local businesses. Now this is going to be a full delivery process. I will show you exactly how to deliver this, and this is not going to be a typical YouTube video. So sit tight and just go and watch this video until the end, and you will understand how to sell AI appointment setters to local businesses, okay? So the first thing is, who can you sell AI appointment setters to? Also, what is an AI appointment setter? So an AI appointment setter is essentially an automated virtual assistant that handles lead communication, qualification, and scheduling, typically over email, SMS, WhatsApp, or phone call. So this is what an AI appointment setter is. Now, who can you sell this to? I will give you two really simple examples. The first example is chiropractor. So a chiropractor, for them, you can set up an AI appointment setter that will engage new leads from Facebook or the clinic's website, because most of them are getting leads from Facebook, okay? So you're engaging the new leads from Facebook or the clinic's website. You're asking them about their pain areas, pain points, desired treatment time, and availability, and you're booking sessions and sending confirmation links for their clients, for chiropractor clients. So this is essentially how it works. Keep in mind, these two examples that I'm going to show you, chiropractor and the next one is legal, are actually two examples that are, just the simple examples. There are many more businesses, especially local businesses, that you can sell this to, okay? Second is a legal law firm, okay? A legal or like really any law firm or anything legal is, you can use an AI appointment setter to handle lead intake from a website, chat, or a phone. It also qualifies case type, for example, immigration, injury, family law, etc. And then it also collects contact details and books consultation with attorney. Now, AI appointment setters are here to communicate, qualify, and schedule calls so that these businesses can make money, okay? So this is the essential point of AI appointment setter, okay? Now, how can you actually go and start delivery process for AI appointment setters, okay? This is going to be done through Appointwise. Now, Appointwise is a platform that I've been using for some time, and it is a platform where you can build these AI appointment setters basically on autopilot, right? So you don't need to know how to code. You don't need to know anything, okay? And I will show you exactly how it works. So you can sign up with our link below. We have the first link in the description. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go to AI agents. And as you can see, I already have a chiropractor agent. So I'm just going to show you how you can create a new agent. So, and how easy it is. So let's create a new agent here. And as you can see, we can use a copilot. So in this case, we can say to the AI, this is kind of like a ChatGPT, but much more smarter ChatGPT. So we can say something like, hey, can you build me a AI appointment setter for chiropractor? This is their clinic name. This is what they are. This is what they need. And, boom, you pretty much have, an AI appointment setter. Second, you can create a new from scratch. However, in most cases, you won't really need to do this unless you want something specific. And in most cases, we would already have like templates here. So we can use a template as well. And also I wanted to show you this one. You can import strategy. So you can import JSON file from NA10, let's say. Or you can say ChatGPT, hey, can you generate me a JSON file? And then you can import the JSON file here. And that is basically going to be like a strategy. But most of the time, 99% of the time, don't really reinvent the wheel. Just go use template, hit next, use pre-built templates. And then here, as you can see, you already have templates for your business. Now, if some of these templates are not for your business that you want to serve, then you would need to go back here, and you would need to use a copilot or create new from scratch. I would suggest using a copilot. It's a good one, but you can use this. So yeah, just go next, pre-built template. And let's say we're building this for a med spa, okay? We're building it for the med spa. We can build it for dental clinic, therapist, legal, mortgage, solar, HVAC, you name it. As you can see, you have it here. So we use the selected template. And as you can see, here is the strategy. So we have step 1, which is instructions. We have conversation. We have booking, knowledge, and custom tasks. Okay. So first is the strategy name. This is not going to be available to any of your clients. This is just for you. Then you have go high level tag. So one thing that I didn't mention here is if you go to integrations, let me actually go here to integration, and I will just give you right here. You can connect your go high level. I haven't connected it here, but you can connect your go high level. And if you have that client in your CRM in go high level, this is a very good way to integrate together with Appointwise. Okay. Now let's go back to AI agents. You can go back here, and then as you can see, this is how it looks like. Obviously, we have go high level tag. This is just so we know, okay, this is the tag. This tag connects your AI agent to the correct leads in go high level. So again, as I said, you can pull leads from go high level here, and those leads can be pretty much engaged with this AI appointment setter. Okay. Here you can choose the tone, which is like professional, formal, friendly, or casual. However, this is the most important part. You edit instructions, and here you can build your own prompt. So you can build a role and objective. So this is a role. You're an AI appointment setter for a reputable med spa specializing in cosmetic treatments. You can also name the name of the med spa. This is very, very important. Like, for example, whenever an AI appointment setter goes and wants to set a meeting, it will say something like, hey, it's John from Med Spa Clinic, X Med Spa Clinic, okay? So here you have that pretty much written down. Now, how you can optimize this with AI is you just go here, and then you can optimize your prompt with best practices. I'll cancel this, but you can go here and build your prompt as well. You can just specify the company the AI works for and clearly define its role. And then that pretty much does the job for you, okay? You have the objective, you have the context, you have the rules, you have examples, okay? So this, if you fill this out, you already done 90% of the work, okay? We already have that right here. Adjustments. Now, this is going to be really important whenever you're doing this for someone. Make sure you, you like set this according to what they want, right? So in this case, this is more so a AI appointment setter that will buy or die, as you can see right here. So it will either sell something, or it will, do nothing, right? So that's pretty much it. Now you can obviously go here and you can adjust this. As you can see, the persuader, top closer. Top closer is quite good. However, buy or die is quite good as well. Qualification priority, you can always change these things up to see how this performs. One thing to note is an AI appointment setter is not an AI voice agent. It's simply a text agent. So here you can see also the conversation part of the delivery process. So this delivery process, we already kind of went through it. Now we have conversations. Now in here, you will need to add your initial message. So in this case, it says, hi, John, thanks for your inquiry. Just to check, are you looking to book a consultation or a specific treatment? And here you can actually choose whether you're going to call it with the last name, full name, first name, email, whatever. Usually it's going to be just first name, and you can even add template here. And here you have the confirmer, you have value teas, or you have the confirmer too, okay? You can choose from these templates within this, or you can just click here and you can adjust this however you want. You can also regenerate initial message, and you can make it here. Let's say you can say something like, make it more professional, and you can generate that, okay? So you can do that. You can add qualification questions by adding this right here. So you just click add and you enter the qualification question. You can add the follow-ups as well. So as you can see, automated messages are sent when a lead hasn't responded. So these messages will be sent in order like this, as you can see. You can add a delay as well right here. So this is a total delay of 1 minute, and you can adjust the follow-ups as well, which is quite interesting. Okay, booking is the third most important point. So when it comes to booking, it's really important to select the correct link for the booking. For this, you really have two options. So you can either go with a call to action. So you can send a booking link or final call to action, or you can automate your AI booking by connecting it to your Go High Level calendar. Now, why is this a good option here? Because when you connect your Go High Level calendar, you will automatically sync everything with Go High Level, and the AI will book directly on the slot that pretty much is available. And what this does is it also enables your customers to have less friction, okay? If you're just sending a booking link, they will have to go through the booking link. This way, you book the call for them. They get the notifications and everything through, okay? And as you can see here, you have a call to action. So when there is going to be a call to action, you just simply click here, right? So for example, automated AI booking, and you can select your Go High Level calendar. Now, since we didn't connect Go High Level, we actually cannot do this, but either way, you can use both of these. However, this one is much better. And then if you're using this one, you can just say, amazing, here's the link to choose a time, and then you have a link right here, okay? Here you have a post booking behavior. This is whether or not you want to turn on or off AI after a call to action. So to turn on, to fully disable the AI after the CTA is sent, you can turn it on. You can turn off follow-ups if you want. If you turn it off, this will be turned off as well. So you can kind of see which one is better for you. Go High Level contact ID. This is for testing purposes. You can add yourself as a contact in Go High Level, and it will basically be served as, as you, or actually, this will be the AI appointment setter will contact you in this case, and you would be able to talk with the AI appointment setter. You also have test AI here, so you can test your AI appointment setter, okay? Knowledge. Now, this is where you can enter your company information or frequently asked questions. Pretty straightforward. And then you have custom tasks. This is more for advanced users, but this is what you want to do when the appointment is booked. So when the appointment is booked, handle the booking, turn off the AI, or you can add multiple different tasks right here, like add tags, turn off auto follow-ups, update standard contact field and stuff like that, okay? This, in most cases, is not relevant. However, you can add a trigger, and you can describe even the trigger name and stuff like that, and the action and what you want to do. So if this is done, you hit save. And obviously, this is something that you also have to kind of take into consideration is we have follow-up messages set to 1 minute delays, which is quite less. So for this video, we didn't go into detail here, but you want to make sure you at least do like 3 hours or something. You're not going to be following up people, every 1 minute, right? It's just crazy. So we save this anyway. And we can now save and test. So we can save and test here. And as you can see, we can choose the strategy to test med spa. We start a conversation. And as you can see, this is where your testing is happening. So since we don't have any contact name, it says, hi, contact first name. Thank you for your inquiry. Just to check, are you looking to book a consultation or a specific treatment? I am looking for a consultation, as you can see right here. And here you can also test AI agent for errors or full screen. Perfect. That's one of our most popular services. We got a specialist who can talk you through the options. Want me to get you booked this week? Yeah, I would love to get booked tomorrow at 9 a.m. And now if you have Go High Level calendar connected, it will be able to scan that. So as you can see, before I confirm your spot, can I quickly check if you have any skin concerns, medical conditions, or allergies we should know about? So as you can see, this is pretty self-explanatory. So yeah, you can kind of go through this, test it out, and then you can deploy it for your clients, okay? So for your clients, it's really important that you create a sub-account. So we have a sub-account here, and on that sub-account, we add a client. So we just simply add a client, and in that client, we can manage everything. We have analytics here as well. We can select a strategy. So as you can see right here, we can even like add contacts here. You can see the CRM, the lead dashboard, the AI agents we can see here. So yeah, everything is pretty much here. So this is pretty much the whole delivery process and how you can sell AI appointment setters to local businesses, okay? If you have any questions or anything, or if you want to see like a more detailed overview of this, feel free to comment down below. Check out all the links in the description if you want to start this on your own, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching.